This saw I'm trying to sell. It's a Husqvarna Rancher 55. Put a brand new cylinder on it the other day. I'm not going to take it off. This bolt in there is a decompression eliminator. Chain's real sharp. Everything works good. Got some tape on the safety thing. Choke works. Got a brand new sprocket on the inside to drive the chain. Just got that the other day. Put it on. Got a new gas thing. This little thing was $15 because the old ones, the ethanol was eating them away. And since then I've only been running the stuff you can buy at Depot, the pre-mixed, whatever this stuff is. Doesn't have ethanol. The only problem with the saw is after I got done putting the cylinder on, it's got some kind of an air leak or something at the carburetor, and I can't figure it out. But it runs. It turns the choke off. So I don't know what it is. I can't figure it out. It runs. Might just need the carb cleaned. Not too sure. But let's talk. Let's make a deal. And we'll go from there. Email if you have any questions. Thanks.